Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update ngayong March 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Cancer. March 16 to 31. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, energy ng money, ng career, ng health, and love life. Bottom of the deck, the Three of Cups, so celebration. Maaring may reunion, no? Meron kayong reunion na aatenan or kung hindi man to planado, biglang makikita mo yung mga old friends mo or colleagues, mga dati mong katrabaho, kaklase mo. Tapos biglang, may unexpected reunion. Yung iba naman, this can be a celebration of the things that you have accomplished. Celebrating small wins. Yeah, Six of Cups. Reunion talaga to. Mga dati mong close friends, mga dati mong katrabaho. Or pwedeng high school reunion. Okay? And then your overall energy, the Three of Swords. Nako, bakit? Someone here is feeling sad, devastated. Maaring you've been through a separation or disappointment sa isang tao. Tell us something about this Three of Swords energy. Sa career. Saturn, no? Saturn and Aries. Parang napipigilan ka rito no? Maaring nagiging unfair sa'yo yung career mo or maaring may boss ka na nakakaaway or hindi kayo magkasundo ng boss mo. May restriction. Someone who is in power na parang pinipilit ka na gawin. Parang iba sa inyo pwedeng pinipilit kayo na gawin ng isang trabaho na ayaw nyo na or you are in a toxic situation sa career path, sa trabaho nyo, sa business nyo. And you want to have a break from this. Tignan natin challenge mo. Champion of Wands. Yeah. Ito yung champion of Wands is like having that freedom that you need. So, pwedeng pagdating sa career mo, feeling mo wala kang freedom, wala kang kalayaan, parang anong tawag doon? Nakakahon, parang ganon. Let's say, 'di ba, sa mga companies, dapat sa ganitong oras pumapasok ka or dito ka lang sa panahon na to pwede magpahinga. But I think you're breaking free from that with the Champion of Wands. Talagang naghahanap ka lang ng pagkakataon para makaalis ka sa ganyang sitwasyon. This is taking a risk So, nasa challenge mo siya. Ngayon, are you willing to take the risk? Handa ka ba na mag-take ng risk, to try something new, to break free, to explore new things? Diba? Especially in your career. Now, your opportunity is Oracle of Swords. This is about clarity, no? Kaliwanagan sa situation mo. Oracle of Swords is also about being mindful sa mga decisions mo. You may also be cutting off connections that is no longer in alignment sa mga goals mo. You have the opportunity to reassess your situation. Kung worth it pa ba. And then your blessing, you have the Oracle of Pentacles. Wow, financial stability. Yan yung blessing sa'yo. So, if yung iba sa inyo nagkakaproblema na challenge sa career path ninyo, I think ito na yung time na kailangan nyo na maglakas ng loob na mag-explore ng iba pang bagay na interest ninyo. Kasi you'll never know na doon ka mas magiging successful. Ayan o, you will be blessed with a career or a business or a source of income na magbibigay sa'yo ng unlimited na resources. And this is also sweet success for you. So, sa money, you have the Four of Cups. Yung iba, you feel like parang may disappointment talaga rito na hindi nyo nakukuha yung dinedeserve nyo. You feel like, bakit ganito? Trabaho ng trabaho, pagod na pagod ako, pero hindi pa rin sapat. Then therefore, you have to change something in your career, sa how you handle your finances, kasi pwedeng hindi ka masyadong nagpipigil sa pag-spend ng money. Parang nagiging cycle na siya. So, it's time for you to see kung saan napupunta. Maaring kailangan nyo na sulat. I-monitor nyo yung inyong expenses para alam nyo kung magkano yung lumalabas at pumapasok na pera. At alam nyo kung saan kayo mas napapagastos. Kasi minsan, kahit mga pa 20-20 lang yan, 100 pesos. Malaking bagay rin pag naipon. Tapos biglang naaalala mo, 1,000 na pala yun pag tinotal mo. 'Di ba? Sa career, you have the Six of Wands. I see success in your career. I think ito yung i-goal mo talaga ngayon pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa career path mo, nahanapin yung happiness. And some of you, ang career nyo related to sa public tawag nito? Public eye. Yung mas nakikita ka ng maraming tao. Can be a content creator, social media influencer, public servant, na meron kang following. Someone is watching you, listening to you. Ganon. So, if you have plans na to make some changes sa career mo, at ito yung gusto mo na mas makilala ka, then this is an opportunity for you na pwede mong i-explore. And then sa iyong health, you have the Seven of Swords. Nako. Pay attention to your health. Kasi meron dito na hindi mo pinapansin na kalagayan ng kalusugan mo. Na para siyang traidor, no? So, para siyang susugod kapag hindi mo inaasahan. So, you have to take care of yourself. Oo. Seven of Swords kasi medyo sketchy energy. And if it comes to your health, hindi mo rin madadaya yung sarili mo Pag sinabing bawal sa'yo, bawal. Kapag kailangan mo iwasan mo. Iwasan mong kainin, iwasan mong inumin. Kasi ang sarili mo rin yung dinadaya mo dyan. Lalo na yung kalusugan mo. And your love life, you have the World. So this can be a long distance relationship for some of you. If you're connecting with someone romantically. Maaring may plans kayo of seeing each other, or magta-travel ka papunta sa kanya, or siya magta-travel papunta sa'yo. Ito rin ay isang accomplishment. So, maaring meron kayong ma-accomplish ng partner mo. Let's say, accomplishing a goal or a project together. Chocolate, satisfaction. Yes, ang hinahanap mo talaga is yung masatisfy ka sa trabaho, sa career path mo, or even sa relationship that you have right now. I think you are also tapping into your creative side. Marami kang talento, na pwede mong i-explore, na you will use it to start something new, like to start a creative project, start a business, try a new career. And I think merong magme-mentor sa'yo. Parang tutulong sa'yo. Can be direct or indirect mentor. Magic. You are also into manifestation. Ano yung mina-manifest mo ngayon? 7th house relationship. business partnerships, yung manifest ng iba sa inyo. You also have the death card, which is transformation, endings, new beginnings. Kaya meron dito new beginnings. Maaring you are letting go of a toxic situation sa buhay mo na nagpapastress sa'yo to start something new. Time spent worrying is time spent. Yes. So, wag mo nang i-spend yung sarili, yung time mo sa pag-aalala. Kasi nasasayang lang. No? Surprise! May surprise sa'yo. Release your expectations and be open to surprise. So, something unexpected is going to happen in your life. I think this is more on a good side. No? Masu-surprise ka because of this blessing, of this opportunity. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.